and look at it with a positive spirit. Today, I'm going to be talking about the famous author, John R. K. Rowling, better known as J.K. Rowling. She is a British author of the famous Harry Potter series. She's aged 60 years. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone was her first book. It sold more than 400 million copies. There are 7 books in the Harry Potter series, each successful as movies too. She sold the rights of the movies to be converted to books and the books to be converted into a successful movie series. Her personal life is also quite inspiring. Her first job was an English teacher in Portugal, who went on to marry and later struggled. She was struggling when the first book released. She was living on state benefits, who went on to become the world's first billionaire author. The idea came to her when she was on a train from England to London. She did not rest on the laurels earned through the sale proceeds of the Harry Potter series. Her unending zeal to make it big gave birth to her idea to make books for adults too. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, which released in 2007, was the latest addition to the series. It vouched as the best-selling book of the series. It received many awards. Harry Potter is now a global brand. J.K. Rowling wanted Daniel Radcliffe to act as Harry in the series. He's still the best known for Harry in the series. She also wanted Steven Spielberg to direct the series. J.K. Rowling did not only receive amount from the sale proceeds of the Harry Potter books, but also from the board games, toys, theme parks, clothes, other accessories, etc. No other author has achieved the celebrity status that J.K. Rowling has over the years. She taught us all how with hard work and perseverance one can achieve it all. Therefore, I would like to conclude my speech with a famous quote: "Adversity brings out the best in a man." However, it is the tough times that truly shape a person. And if we never give up, work towards our dreams and goals, one can achieve it. And the road to success will become ours. Thank you.